Video title: Smart Meat Management, Wireless Smart Digital Meat Thermometer for Cooking. Introduction. Welcome to our new video where we explore one of the essential cooking tools brought to you by modern technology, the wireless smart digital meat thermometer for cooking. We'll delve into the remarkable features of this device and how it can become your perfect partner in creating the most delightful meat dishes. Part 1. Design and Connectivity Features 031 to 115. This intelligently designed device combines precise measurement techniques with wireless connectivity through Bluetooth technology. It comes with probes for accurately measuring meat temperature, which can be effortlessly connected without the hassle of tangled wires. Part 2. App and Remote Monitoring. What sets this device apart is its compatibility with smartphone apps. Simply connect the device to the app via Bluetooth and you'll be ready to monitor the meat's temperature from anywhere within your home. This means you're not limited to staying by the grill or oven. Part 3. Custom Settings and Real-Time Notifications. When it comes to meats, achieving the desired level of doneness is crucial. The app allows you to select your preferred meat type and level of doneness. The device will send real-time notifications when the temperature reaches the desired level. Part 4. Ease of Use and Cleaning. Thanks to the intuitive and straightforward app interface, everyone can easily utilize this device, whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice. When you're done, detaching the probes and cleaning them is a breeze. Part 5. Elevated Cooking Experience. With the wireless smart digital meat thermometer for cooking, you'll enjoy a cooking experience that's both precise and controlled. Say goodbye to concerns about undercooked or overcooked meat. Revel in achieving perfectly cooked meats every time. Conclusion. If you're seeking to elevate your time in the kitchen and create more intelligently prepared meat dishes, the wireless smart digital meat thermometer for cooking is the perfect solution. Embrace the digital empowerment it brings to your cooking lifestyle. Wrap up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for more insightful content. We'll catch you in our upcoming videos.